Now, Ken and Gilmore are about 30 degrees colder than this time yesterday. We knew this cold air was moving in here as we were ringing in the new year. So we're now 30 degrees colder than this time yesterday in Stephenville. You need to bundle up. Some people are at Clyde Warren Park bundled up as well. We're at 37 degrees at DFW to 40 in Dallas, 35 in Fort Worth. When you factor in these north winds that are breezy, near 15 miles per hour, it feels like the mid-20s in some spots. So definitely a cold day today. And yes, Happy New Year. I'm not sure if you are happy with the colder air that's in place. It's going to feel like 28 degrees by the time we get to 9 o'clock tonight. So light the fire, have some hot cocoa, and just kind of snuggle up a bit more because it's going to be a cold night. Lots happening overnight tonight and then through tomorrow. The precipitation starting, rain, and even some freezing rain. So this is what to expect for Wednesday morning into Thursday. Our western and northern counties of North Texas, maybe a tenth of an inch of ice to 1 to 2 inches of snow, and we could see some travel issues. That's where we have the winter weather advisory. I'll show you that coming up in a second. The DFW area, some freezing rain, maybe mixing in with some really cold rain. We could see a few icy spots, not very high chance of that, but there is the chance, so we'll talk about it. And east of the DFW area, likely all rain. So let's break that down even more. All right, you saw those kind of pop up for us with those travel impacts. Again, the few icy spots on the bridges and overpasses Wednesday and Thursday in the DFW metro area. More widespread travel issues west and north of DFW. So we'll watch that as we go through the next 36 hours. Here's the future sky forecast. Overnight tonight, dry, but then into the early morning hours, 3 to 4 o'clock, we start to see that light rain move into parts of North Texas. This pink color indicates that freezing rain. We might see some of that light freezing rain for a small window, 6, 7, 8 o'clock near parts of the Metroplex happening for us. But then as we go through the late morning hours, warmer air is moving back here into North Texas. But still, the coldest air is off towards the north and the west. That wintry mix is possible. And then through the day on Wednesday, that starts to shift its way off towards the west even more. Still seeing some rain on Wednesday night and then into Thursday morning. More rain on the way. Coldest air out to the west with the upper level low that moves in. And then possibly late Thursday afternoon, overnight Thursday into Friday, we could see some snow wrap around and make its way here into parts of North Texas. So here's the forecast Wednesday through Thursday. Cold rain pretty much most of East Texas. In the Metroplex, we'll see a lot of cold rain. Might see some light freezing rain mix in, maybe some minor travel impacts. But then where you see this darker blue color, that's the greatest chance of accumulating ice and snow and bigger travel impacts. And that's where we do have the winter weather advisory. So maybe a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch in a couple of spots, 1 to 2 inches of snow in some localized spots as well going into Friday morning, well northwest of the Metroplex. Here's that winter weather advisory I talked about starting early Wednesday. Does not include Dallas and Tarrant County. And then after that, the 7-day forecast shows we're going to be near 70 degrees on Sunday. How about that? Nice change.